belt on as if I can drive with my camera sitting like this. It'll fly. There's a hot guy. I gotta go. No, I can push through this. Is this the intro of my video? No, what is this man doing taking photos? This guy has a full ass camera and he's taking photos. It's giving stalker or real estate. I went for a little hot girl walk at the beach and then I got a little strawberry matcha. I'm trying to leave my house and like document it. It's really fucking hard, by the way. Really hard. Can barely get stories, but we are gonna work through it again. Now I'm gonna go die of embarrassment. See you later. No, I can't put the camera away. It's a sign of weakness. No. Now this woman is looking in my fucking car. So when they say, nobody's looking at you, they are though. All right, I'm gonna go die. Bye. How do you bitches do this angle? I'm also hot. Here's the thing I realized. When I started dating someone new, I realized just how little of my wardrobe I wear. Seeing someone multiple days in a row, it makes you realize, oh fuck, I wear the same shit all the time. Like same workout sets, same hoodies, same sweats. Why do I even own more things if I don't wear them? I have got to figure out how to make strawberry matcha at home because this fucks, absolutely fucks. I'm gonna try to yap less. I should honestly do a podcast because I yap so damn much, but what would I even yap about on a podcast? I mean, let's not. You know I always have so many ideas and things I wanna do. That ADHD in me loves things in the beginning and then sticking to it, I got book PR. I think the coolest thing is that I get book PR from the PR company that is Ellen Hilderbrand, and I love that girly, and so they send me early releases of her shit. That's a flex. What is this though? Okay, I already have this. Hold on. Okay, these are both advanced proofs. Okay, I went for a little hot girl walk this morning at the beach and I got a little strawberry matcha, which you saw. And then I went to my doctor to get tested again. I hate that when I email my doctor, Kaiser, whatever, and I'm like, can I get tested again? Thanks. And they're like, do you have any symptoms? Why? Bitch, I raw dog. And even if it was with the same partner, I don't trust men. That's how I got that kidney infection. I hate that if you want to be precautious and take care of your health before it becomes a problem, they're like, no. You have to solve all your own problems when it comes to health. We're not even gonna get into that because I could yap for years about that. Today, I need to absolutely 100% focus on depop. I have been putting that off for so long, but I want to shed. I want spring cleaning to get rid of all of the clutter in my apartment. And the first that has to go is the depop stuff. Today's main focus is depop. I wanna spend hours doing that until shit is done. I don't care how long it takes. Also, I need new workout sets. I love Amazon. I should just probably buy more from Amazon. But if you have anywhere that you like getting your like athletic wear, your athleisure, your workout sets, comment below because I want to not just wear Amazon workout sets. I feel like diversify. I don't know. Let's do Depop. Little intermish to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace makes it easy to get started by choosing from one of the many templates designed for every category that allows you to customize the look and add in your own content. You do also have the option to design your own template, and this is my website that houses everything relating to my personal brand. A goal of mine is to eventually launch my own online store, and Squarespace already has that feature available to me when I'm ready. So you can sell your products in an online store, whether they're physical, digital, or service products. And speaking of service products, they also have a built-in scheduling feature that lets you create and accept appointments through your website. Scheduling function has everything needed to manage your schedule, accept payments, send auto reminders, and showcase your services. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/SiennaMirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Hair looks nasty, so I'm keeping a little hat on just while we go through everything in Depop. I'm gonna take everything out that I have for Depop and sort it because I'm obviously not gonna put up stuff that is for winter, fall type shit. We're gonna only do spring and summer clothes. So I haven't sorted it in a minute, so let's go through everything. Oh, sup girly? Oh, I do need to steam clean my carpets, but that's just a whole thing. Yeah. Ooh. I have clothes in bags still too. Damn. This is like so much real estate that is, oh my God, there's more bags. Yeah, I can see why I've been procrastinating this. Okay, I can definitely declutter the fuck out of it. Like, will I ever wear this? Maybe, I wanna get rid of it. We just reorganized this closet and like, it does not feel. Is this even, oh, another bag. Another bag. Jesus. You guys can all just chill. Wow. How are you doing? Oh, you want to act like we're not friends? Okay. Oh, is this a PJ set? Do I want this again? Oh, leave me alone! Oh, it's my mom. Just kidding. Don't leave me alone, girl. Hello?
Hello?
Did you butt down me?
No. Just answer real fast because I'm right in front of him. Got it. Okay. Got it. Okay, that's all I needed.
Okay, bye. That bitch puts me on speaker all the time, and it's like, I say the most vulgar shit. Let's not do that. Let's not subject strangers to that. Ooh, I might want to wear this again, so it might be mine again. Ignore the dryer. I am washing and drying these clothes because those are wrinkly, and then I will put them in with those because those are all the summer and spring stuff I'm selling, and then also empty this bin and gonna put the rest of it in here, and these are gonna be the things that I'm selling. And then I put all of the fall and winter stuff just back in the bags and then this box because I don't have enough. I mean, the other bin that I have pictures already taken of it, but it's fall and winter. So I'm just gonna leave that in there, but then I do need these 2 bins for the summer stuff. So then the rest is just gonna be like this. As soon as it hits like September, I'm putting all of these up. But for now, this is everything that's going up. She's such a vocal cat. Anyway, that's the current update on the Depop stuff. Hi, Addie. And then I'm watching Sex and the City while I do this. So let's start taking some photos. The UV index is 10, so I must go sit outside. I am the palest I've ever been in my entire life, and it's making me a little sick. I look sick when I'm this pale. So I'm gonna just take a quick little 45 minutes to an hour, go bake in the sun. I have sunscreen on, don't even trip. And I wanted to read that book, hold on. I wanted to read the book that I got sent from Ellen, and I said it was her PR company. I meant to say publishing company. Potato, potato, one and the same. But I'm gonna go read this, go sit at the pool for a minute. But I'm gonna read this, go sit at the pool for a minute. I have a lot of shit to do, but I'm procrastinating by doing this. But like the UV index was too good not to procrastinate and do it, so. What's up? You are not gonna like this. Okay. Okay, I can't wear the shirt. I have to do the bikini. This way. No, no, no! Don't do it! No. Stand up. Girl, stand up. Okay. Is this supposed to look like this? Why do I never do this at home? Like, it's kind of fun. I always let the groomers do it, but like, it's kind of cute. Okay, yeah, no, sitting is great. That's cool. That's cool too. Don't move, girly. Yeah, I don't know why I thought I could wear clothes to do this. His face, he's looking at me like, bitch. I wonder what he looks like when he actually goes to the groomer. Like, does he look at them with this look? And they always say, he's such a good boy, like they love it. Sybil, this is not about you. Sybil, you wouldn't want this. You would hate this, actually. Brother, ugh. Let's rinse that. Okay. Can't sit down. There's no way my ass is touching this dirty water. Good boy. Can you stay like that? No, no, no. Ah! Oh, look at you. Yeah, you love the ass scratch, don't you? Yeah, I'm gonna shower after this. When is Love Island coming out, by the way? Like the new one? It's summer. Man, those paws are still dirty. It's not like he frolics in the mud all day. Like, how do you get this dirty? No, 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 don't do it! No, no! Okay, that was really awesome, thank you. No, no, no! No! You've got to stop this. God, okay. Come on. You can do it. Let's try you in here. Actually, you're right. You're right. It's better in here. No, okay. Are you trying to jump out? Okay, well wait. No, we're not done here. We're not. No! Okay, let's go to my bathroom with a blow dryer. Oh, goody. No, I love that. Thank you. You're so weird. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. I love that. Thank you. Let's brush this and blow dry. Woo! He's running away from me because he doesn't want the blow dryer and brush anymore, but look how cute. He looks silky and cute. Why does everyone insist on this angle? I don't even know why I'm insisting on it. Also, all the noise, we're gonna put you in the fruit bowl. Why didn't I do this all the time? No, I hate it still. Anyway, for lunch, I meal prepped pesto. I have been making the pesto all the time for like 3 years now, I'm sorry. Look at my cute little, can you do a little penning moment? Anywho, I meal prep pesto every week. Not every week, but the weeks that I feel like it. So like every other week. There's a lot missing because I cooked for a man. Oh, let's not. Also, I always was like, oh yeah, you're never gonna see a man on my Instagram or anywhere, or me talk about a man ever again until I have a ring. Wait, a ring. That's extremely hard to do. Like, it's extremely hard to hide like a part of your life. I get the whole private but not a secret. That's the vibe we're going with. I am not showing a man. I'm going to acknowledge the fact that I'm dating a man. Because I'm trying to vlog more, I'm trying to bring out the camera more, and now my weekends are like filled with, oh, this was supposed to be my solo era. Do we remember? I had just sprouted my wings and I was ready to be in my solo era, getting my shit back on track. How do you do that with a man? I honestly do not know how girlies balance dating someone. Not going on dates, that's different, but like dating someone and being an independent bitch, balancing it all. It's like a sport. It's honestly like you have a fucking sport that is now added to your plate. Does anyone know how to balance that shit? I don't. I never did. So, feel like I need to learn. My face hurts. I have a sinus headache also. I wanted to stop complaining about my health because, okay, also, side note, you know, with like OCD and you have intrusive thoughts, I realized that all the stuff I see on manifestation, on TikTok, everywhere is saying like, you create your reality with your thoughts, babe. I'm thinking negative all the time. Like I get in the spirals because I have OCD and like I get the intrusive thoughts and like I keep thinking with every thought I'm creating my reality. Oh my God, I keep thinking so negative, making more negative in my life. I think sometimes the internet and like manifesting the universe, all of that on the internet makes it worse. Like, I feel like I was better at manifesting when I wasn't so hyper aware of like, oh my God, every single thought I have is creating my reality. Ugh, you know? I feel like I was in a better place mentally when I didn't listen to bitches on TikTok telling me how to like manifest my life and how it's my fault that my life is not like how I want it. So, I don't know. What are your thoughts on that? Is that like a hot take or is that just like common sense and everyone else feels that way? I don't know. Does my hair look good? I can't actually tell. I know I look pale and I hate that. Also, do we remember back in the day when I was dating he who shall not be named first long-term boyfriend? We all remember him. And in the beginning of that, I had met some surfer at a coffee shop and I had said, I think on my podcast years ago, I was like, oh my God, you guys, I met a man who uses Google Calendar and I met a surfer. Which one do I pick? I don't know why I brought that up because there was something that, oh yeah, we have to talk about men in code because like we'll never use their first name and we'll never acknowledge them. I miss gossiping about men. I remember when I told you guys like, oh my God, I met like a surfer that works at a coffee shop or I met this guy that uses a Google Calendar. Which should I choose? I chose Google Calendar. Ruined my life. No, I didn't ruin my life. Nothing ruins your life. It's all a learning experience and I would never ever trade not loving. Do you know what I'm saying? Like I would rather get my heart broken than to not have loved. Do you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like Taylor Swift, a hopeless romantic who gets her heart fucking broken but she never lets up because being in love is a beautiful thing. So maybe I'm dumb. I don't know. The Capricorn in my Venus and my moon and whatever else is like screaming, you're a dumb bitch. But the Pisces that is everywhere else is like, bitch. The whole reason I brought up how we had called my ex like the Google Calendar guy, which is crazy because I will give you his zodiac sign. And I know a lot of you are gonna be like, bitch. But shut up, okay? He's a Virgo man. I know you're all gonna yell at me, so get it out of your system. I've never been with a Virgo man, and boy, is it a trip. I thought I was meticulous as fuck. This hoe has me beat. But I have ADHD, so like that's what makes me crazy. We all know my birth chart. We don't need to go over it. I'll go over it again. I'm a Pisces sun, Scorpio rising. Oh, he's a Scorpio rising too. Apparently a lot of the guys that I've been attracted to, Scorpio risings. So, what does that say about me? I don't know, tell me. All right, let's make my pasta before the battery dies and I yap your ear off. Too late. The fun fact about this dude, I really hope he doesn't watch this. He has watched some of it. He used to be an internet hoe, which is crazy because bitches don't get the internet stuff. So now when I like tell him about my day, he like gets it. Now I'm gonna train this hoe to take Instagram pics for me. So sorry, whoa, what? I'm so sorry about the laundry, it's ugly. And look at my pesto. That took me, it would have taken me actually less time had I not yapped, but like 15 minutes type shit.